Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, is the Mad Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself light up axe. This is a very cool build and I enjoyed building it. For this, guys, I took a popsicle stick. I wrapped around brown and red pipe cleaners, and this light you see right here that is changing different colors is actually a bike light. I hot glue gunned it to the top of the popsicle stick, and that's basically it. That's the do-it-yourself light up axe. Really cool. This will help you if the power goes out. You can just grab your do-it-yourself light up axe and you'll have some light. Very, very easy build, guys. Simplicity is the key. It really is, guys. Simplicity is the key. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of the do-it-yourself light up axe. Dr. Fish out.